A Rapides Parish jury has found that 25-year-old Terrence Armstrong guilty of second-degree murder for the October 20th, 2020 shooting death of 17-year-old Edwin Davidson Jr. in a drive-by at a home over in Wardville. It took the jury a little more than 2 hours to reach its verdict, and a few jurors cried as it was read. Armstrong was visibly upset as the verdict was read and stood up and said, "I just got sentenced bad for nothing." Armstrong was one of 5 people charged in connection to the case that investigators said was the result of a narcotics transaction earlier in the night that did not include him. Testimony revealed that 4 other co-defendants, Caitlin Carlino, Pamela Smith, Andrew Mayo, and Tyrone Compton, were part of a group shortened 8 Xanax in the purchase. Now those 4 and the addition of Armstrong drove to the dealer's house on Orchard Loop. Carlino and Smith testified that Armstrong was one of 3 people armed who shot at the house. Davidson was killed in the process, but it is believed that he was not the intended target. District Attorney Philip Terrell says he was proud of the work that the Pineville Police Department did investigating this case, as well as Assistant District Attorney Lee Hall, who prosecuted it.
I want to compliment my entire staff, the detectives of the Pineville Police Department, although they're young, and they obviously did a phenomenal job on this case. The citizens of Rapides Parish can be very pleased and happy with the work that's being done by our local law enforcement.
Armstrong was represented by Christopher LaCour. Judge Greg Beard presided, and Armstrong will be sentenced on March 8th.